Your PC could be hacked right now without you even knowing. Here's how to check in under 2 minutes. Subscribe and let's start. First, right-click the Start button, select Run, type MRT, and press Enter. This opens Microsoft's Malicious software removal tool. Click Next, then choose Quick Scan if you want a fast check. It scans the most common locations where malware hides. If your PC has been acting strangely or you want a more thorough scan, choose Full Scan instead. It takes longer but checks your entire system. When the scan finishes, Windows will let you know if any threats were found and guide you through removing them if needed. Next, right-click the Start button, select Run, type netpelwiz, and press Enter. This opens the User Accounts window. Look through the list of accounts. If you notice an account you don't recognize and you're sure you didn't create it, investigate it before removing it, as some accounts may belong to Windows or installed software. Now, type in Windows Search Task Manager and open it. Go to the Startup Apps tab and sort by status. Review the apps that start with Windows. If you find an app you don't recognize, click it and choose Disable. If you're unsure what it is, search its name online before disabling it. And that's it. These quick checks can help you spot common signs of malware or unauthorized changes on your Windows PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and security tutorials.